Okay. This is my first test with this 10 in, 10 out DAC, and I'm now recording channels 1 and 2, and I will change channels further. As you can see, I will just change the channels like here. I need to pause this recording. Alright, now I'm on channel 3 and 4. They seem to be working very fine, very fine. Now next to the next channels. Okay, 5 and 6 seems to be working. Okay. I will a little bit go to the left and right. Yes, they are different channels. That's not always the case when you're doing digital recording. Okay, then go to last channels. Alright, these are channels 7 and 8. And as I was talking that this will be 10 in, 10 out DAC because of the Minidsp multi-channel streamer. Channels 9 and 10 are Toslic or optical channels. I will try to connect those with SPDIF converter. Hopefully that will work later on. Maybe I will try that on a part 2 or something like that. But yeah, a little bit luck and error there has been, but this so far seems to be working. These are 8 input channels. Maybe later on I will try put some output channels too. Okay, thank you for now, and I will see you on later parts when I get this project going on and on. Thank you.